So the square instead of a 2. You did everything right, but a 2 needed to get extra. Right? You need to put, you know what I'm doing in the parentheses? Or in the block. You don't have to get this one. Okay, but the next thing. That was right. Instead of this one, no, it's but 2 is, sorry, maybe I got it. It's 2 times 4 on the bottom. 2 times A. A is 4. Yeah, right. I know, it's a lot of times it's 1, but. So it's fine. Okay, so we should have got to this point. 7 plus or minus the square root of 1 over 8. Well, the square root of 1 is 1. Okay, always square root it, but first get the number. Okay, because so you can make sure that you have it right. Because if you do the square root and that all together, and then it's just some number, some decimal, then you have to go back and type it all in again. Okay, it's easier if you just figure out this is 1. So that would be 7 plus or minus 1 divided by 8. Okay, so this will be like number 1 that we had. So z equals 7 plus 1 divided by 8. Well, that's 8. 8 divided by 8? 1. Right, and then the second one, 7 minus 1 divided by 8. Well, that's 6 divided by 8, which is 6 divided by 8. Yeah, you can turn it into a fraction. It should be 0.75, or that would be 3/4. Okay, 7.75, or if you wanted it to be a fraction, 3/4. Right, see, like I said, every time I go around, more people are catching on. Okay, we're going to do another one. The next one should be pretty easy, okay? I think everybody will do pretty good on this next one. So, let's do number 4. Okay, b squared plus 34b plus 289 equals 0. Okay, b squared plus 34b plus 289 equals 0. On this one, the first step is already done for us, right? So label them and plug them in. Okay, if you get something that seems a little bit weird, keep going, okay? You can do it, I promise. Should get 0 underneath the square root, right? What's the square root of 0? 0, right? Okay, so then do negative 34 plus 0 divided by 2. Negative 34 minus 0 divided by 2. All right, good. That's right. Right, it looks like I think most of the mistakes that I'm seeing are just still people putting it in the right place in the formula, right? The more practice we do, the better you're going to be at it, okay? This needs to be negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared. So the first two numbers are going to be the same number, right? Minus 4 times a is 1, c is 289. Okay, so all of that gave me 0. Okay, well, the square root of 0, if you don't know, I mean, it's a weird number, but 0 times 0 is 0. Okay, so it'll be just 0, breaks it out. It's kind of a weird one. Now, negative 34 plus 0 is negative 34. Divided by 2 is negative 17. What about negative 34 minus 0? Negative 34 divided by 2? Negative 17. So how many solutions are there? 1. All right, there's just one solution. It's negative 17. All right, and if we saw that one on the graph, it would look like this. It would be one of those where it just dips down and touches at negative 17.